Ye Nensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi. Mwanchu murigirari w'Ensoko TV Uboroso bw'umugusi neri tukoria gatatasu mutinyo yego kabiro mwaka w'echilifu 2025 na rimwe kugokwani kurandonsi ya sore asomugorobo bono nabo igono kugenda kwana buna kwagenderere bujana bo igono gendere tukubwatya merugiri yonsi ime Ensoko TV kuro Chinsa Ikomi nebere cheke mambigo ikaraboni yango kwarigani ate tukanyora Amayia asenchira yobwenge ye Chinsa Ikomi chi Afrika ya moche bura basake baito bayariganire ase omugoroba obono bwatya yega gwetera asenchira yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook nabo igo asensemo ya YouTube Ensoko TV tusanga asubu amugo chakerbono gwika omwerio litariane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakaro mugorobo bono abamenyi asepara enene ya Kisumu goche Busia nigo be murunganiro gusarika okonene gwe pareyo korengana na barabwo nigo bagoteba ng'abanta bange nigo basiria magimabo asepareyo na boigo nigo omunyakonda ojuwa etwe emirimo yokurema emetaro ase okoyegaria tanya gwikerania koyerosia egento kyerere okuremuka okonene gwe pareyo nabo gikwerera banta bange gosiria obugimekero kirime basukano yepara egocha yakorekana yango turarigeritora na naralyaya bobwate kurwase asensemeyo na boiga bamenya bubwe para ya Kisumu na Busia.
Juzi tumesika hapa kijana kutoka Mrende amekufa. Pale chini ndugu yangu kutoka hapa Matausi amekufa. Pale juu kuna mama mjamzito amekufa.
Mama aliwawa hapa juu. Akakanyagwa kichwa ikakuwa kama bahasha. Yes. Vitabu za watoto na rula na set zilitapakaa kwa barabara. Watoto wa huyo mama sasa wanahangaika.
Busia ni boda kubwa. Mnapanda barabara zaidi ambazo hazina ushuru kama compared to the border point ya Busia. Mnapanda barabara Malaba, mnaneglect barabara hii ya Busia hii.
Unapoangalia upande wangu wa kulia kuna shule. Na kama kuna shule na hakuna sign ambayo inaonyesha kwamba kuna shule hapa, ni makosa na hatari kubwa. Tunapoongea saa hizi kuna mwanafunzi ambaye ako hospitalini kwa sababu aligongwa na gari akiweza kucross barabara.
Walichimba shimo ama mtaro wakisema wanataka kuipanua. Baada mimi nashangaa ni kama walituchimbia kaburi badala ya kupanua barabara.
Hii si ajali ya kwanza, hii ni ajali mara mingi sana hapa na Busire. Watoto wa watu tumeokota kwa hii barabara.
Sasa wakati matrela inapokuja inakushtua honi, unachanganyikiwa, unakosa mahali pa kwenda. Na hiyo trailer inakugonga, unaingia kwa mtaro, na hiyo trailer inapita ikienda, wewe wanakuokota hapo, unakufa.
Kwa muda wa mwaka mmoja tuko na bodaboda zaidi ya 12. 5 wameweza kuaga na 7 wameweza kuvunjika hata wengine ambao wa grounded.
Sasa ile simeanguka kwa barabara, sinapita paka kwa plot yangu kwa shamba yangu. Sina kanyaga chakula zangu. Mimi nimechoka na hiyo.
We have lost over 60 people in a stretch of 3 kilometers within 3 months. Those are votes lost. 60 votes make a very big difference.
Hatuwezi kwa tunagongwa na serikali kwa ushuru, tunagongwa na trailer, tunagongwa pia na wanawake kwa manyumba. Hilo wanawake watugonga lakini sio trailer.
Ase ensemo yende mu waziri bwobore minute gumtai kagwe nigachi kirechi company ao kubwati richi currency ya Kenya monase okorendo bwene bwabakora imirimo nigo asabiri chi company yakiriya chitenerete na kiri cy'abantu nyene gotakeye kingeri cy'abakora imirimo nigo boigo atebire getambukira munekyo nigo kirima mincha yerichiko boigo na boigo asensemo area yoboke mwanya bantu bunakwerera somogoroba obono
is that we do not recognize the law. If we do not recognize the law, then it will mean that we don't even recognize the basis on which we have the foundation on which we have agreed ourselves, because that is the law. We have agreed on law. I'm here sitting with you because I am obligated by the law, to sit here. So we must make sure that we balance on both sides, that destruction of property is not acceptable at all. And we must also ask security apparatus the security apparatus, IG Kanja, and the rest of security apparatus, that
gobona abanyagitari baramenterwe engeria asekerengo k'emerongo na isano guika emerongo 3.
Officers, we are committed to continue supporting the county to function properly. And I think the challenges that has faced us, we attribute it to fragmented decision making, and we will encourage that the Council of Governors can anchor a system, a structured system under the Council of Governors that can handle the issues of the HR, so that at any time our decision making can be actually be able to help us avoid the industrial action that has been ongoing. If we have hurt anyone in this process, naomba mtusamehe. Na pia kwa wale ambao tumeumiza, naomba watusamehe. You know, there is no socio-economic development without health, and there is no health without a motivated staff that feels that they are appreciated.
Number of counties have also said, well, for us, we will not be able to implement, because usually, even where there is a proposal at the national level, then it goes down to the counties for each county to negotiate according to their ability. So I'm actually not very comfortable with the signing that will be undertaken today, same as for our members, and that is why we will seek the clarifications before the exercise begins.
Aborokia wetera sekio megia kupeta nigo besokire na kwemurunganire serikali aso gutekerania magani yabo igero yobotumeki bw'umurubirio omanyekaire buna sha uyuru murubiri wabo chenu nigo bayakwanira aya maega yegati aborokia kubwatiranigwa aso mubasokano bwepara negati ekinyagitari kwanga kuba bwatokera obokonyi nabo igo kuba obokoreri.
We would wish that by extension even those teachers who have not been registered should have their details taken from the teacher service details in their files so that they become beneficiaries of SHA.
We want to ask the government to bring a multi-agency team to support the whole situation. We have hospitals that refuse to take some of the teachers, very regrettable. We have a hospital that delayed the surgery of one of the teachers because of money. That was very regrettable. And I'm therefore asking the Minister for Health to work closely with the Minister of Education and Teacher Service Commission to make sure that during this time of disaster for our teachers, all hospitals are put on alert to treat these teachers.
Goikase county ya Kisumu umugavana we county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nigo abamochiri abamirebe serikali bakorogwa na Rigathi Gachagua magega ya Gachagua goteba buna nachi kuroberio kurobekana imeyense nigo ayakwana aya imeye county ya Kisumu asomo roberio obwo gusira basayo manyekani buna nyota uyo oragwa no muraibwense Daktari William Samuel Ruto.
Niliona jana kuna wengine wamesema ati sasa wanajitayarisha kwa sababu hawana mipango, hawana agenda, hawana chochote, ati wanajitayarisha kutengeneza maandamano. Ati wanataka watengeneze maandamano, ati sasa waete maandamano, ati sasa watu waende maandamano. Sisi tunawaambia we are not boarding. We are doing what? Are we boarding mambo ya maandamano? Sisi tuko works, we are not boarding mambo ya maandamano. Kenyan youth are busy, they are busy opening businesses, they are busy hustling. Mambo ya maandamano hawafanyi nini?
Kirabo mwanchu murigelia na otogwikira omweri obwamaya ase enchira y'Amayia Chinsa Ikomi korende ensa yemo nabo igo Chinsa isatu chabo tukono chikomra namo na Frida kerwa kirara chikwa yaretera ase enchira y'obwekira no murabasaki baito barachiko yariganya aso mogoroba obono gendera kubwati mirobirende atigero mogoroba obono murobiri kubwati nigo gochia koretwa amona Edwin Nyang'au murobiri manyakaire muna ongori amareko endera kwegokia goika na ndenga kiendereterane Ishmael Mogere.